Hi everyone, welcome to CrochetRocks. It's Tracy. Finally, I get to undo my yarn swap. So this is a yarn swap that I'm doing with Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. I've had this a little while and it's just been tantalising me. Beckoning to me, open me. But I was waiting until she received her package before I opened it. So I was really worried that she wouldn't get it because I had to send mine in a bag, like, you know, instead of a box. And I didn't want to do that, but the lady in the post office said, oh no, it's fine. These are really strong bags. It will be fine, honestly. And she persuaded me. And from that moment on, I then started to worry. I'm having trouble with this one piece of tape. It was fine the other end. Here we go. My little scissors that free. I've been moaning about these scissors, thinking that they were rubbish, and yet I can get in all kinds of places with them. So, yeah, Dana has received hers, as I say, and she's going to upload hers today. So don't forget to watch that and see the yarns that... Oh, no, that's not going to work. Got a very tough label in this bit. Unless, brute strength. Yes, I'm in. Wow, so exciting. Isn't it exciting? Wow. Okay, so what we got in here then? Oh, first of all, I've got a little card. And it's got a horsey on it. Nice picture. Says, hi Tracy, thank you so much for agreeing to do this swap with me. Hope you enjoy. Love, Dana and Dooley. Oh, isn't that lovely? I'll put that over there for now. I didn't mind reading that one out because it's small, but if it's got lots of words, I always say I won't embarrass anyone. So intriguingly, there's a bag in here. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, lots of stuff in here now, guys. But this on the top, this is lovely. This is Yarn Bee. Soft and sleek. Low pill fibre. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. That is beautiful. Let's have a little look. There's a couple of skeins of this. Upside down. Well, it wouldn't be me if it wasn't, would it? So, this is low pilling acrylic. It says use a 6 crochet hook. Here we are. It's called Berry Mix. And I'm trying to find more info. It's hard to find on here, but it's beautiful. That's all I know. So what would you say? I'd say that's a 4 weight, maybe. Yeah, looks like a 4. I'm looking for that little symbol or anything. Well, there it is. 4 weight medium. Yeah, isn't that beautiful though? Look at that. There's 2 skeins of it. It's gorgeous. I love that. It's so soft and nice and such beautiful colours. It's got this kind of mauvey colours in there as well. Look. Just beautiful. Beautiful. And blues. That is lovely. Oh, I like that one. I like it a lot. Then we've got this one, which is Yarn Bee Sugar Wheel Cotton. That's pretty colours. It's actually showing a lot brighter on there than it is, I feel. It's not really this bright yellow, but I suppose it is bright, but it's not as bright as it's showing. It's more, let's go closer. So you've got this ombre effect. That's better. Isn't that lovely? It's really nice. So soft. It's very soft cotton. And this is called Zest Wishes. Zest Wishes. 5 ounces, 335 yards. Should have told you that one. I'll get it back in a sec. I will bring it. See, I'm out of practice. This is a 3-weight, so this is DK. It's lovely, beautiful. I like it. Oh, hang on, there's more. There's 2 at least. 2 of those. So let's get this one back, because I really struggled to find anything on the yarn man. That's probably why. So I'm looking. Oh, 170 meters or 186 yards. It's 114 grams. That's why it's hard to see. They put it in a table, like a little table. This is not yarn. This feels like a mug. Ooh, what have we got in here? Hang on. It's hard to get into. Aha, I think I'm in. Well, I'm nearly in. Wow. From Oregon. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love it. Thank you so much. And that is gorgeous. It's got this really lovely motley pattern. Look at that. That is lovely. Thank you very much. I really will enjoy drinking from there. Still got some bubble wrap in it. Put some more in. That's lovely. Thank you. I do feel a bit scratchy. Sorry, in my throat. You know, I've been sending bags to people. I have one back from Texas. She's all over the place with her travels. Isn't that gorgeous? The Lone Star. Oh, that is fantastic. It's brilliant. Thank you so much. I love it. Well, I won't use it for shopping, but I will use it. I'll use it for more special things than just getting my groceries. But thank you so much. I love it. Oh, a fridge magnet. What does that say? New Mexico. Wow, she's sent me things from her travels. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, thank you very much. I'm so blown away. Oh, wow. And this is beautiful. What's this? It's a nice moody colour. Another yarn bee, soft and sleek, low pill fibre. This one is a 5, a bulky 5. And there's 232 yards, 213 meters, and it's called Purple Haze. It's really nice. I like that. Nice and soft. Oh, hang on, there may be 2. There's 2 of those. That's lovely. And I think there's a contrasting one here. Another one, which is a deeper colour. And I have 2 of those. I'm being really spoiled here. Wow, let's just get the lowdown on this one. So this is called Purple, Purple Haze Purple. So that's lovely, contrasting. Again, 232 yards or 213 meters. 100% low pill acrylic. Isn't it gorgeous? So they go so well together. Look at that. Wow. Well, I say, Dana, you have a very good eye. This is a bit more purple than it showing up on camera. It is really difficult, actually. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed. Just very difficult to film or to photograph purple. This package must have cost her a fortune to actually post, because yarn weighs enough, but there's mugs and there's something very heavy in this bag. Very heavy. I'll show you in a second. Now this one, oh my word, this is beautiful. I'm gonna sneeze, sorry. It caught me by surprise. I didn't have time to pause it. I do apologise, but I have a cold. So this is Yarn Bee Rainbow Rhapsody. No, I said they come along in 3s. They certainly do. So I've got 2 of these. They are gorgeous. I will show this one. And I don't remember where I got up to, but isn't it lovely? Look, it's got that marbling effect where you've got the 2 colours in one, but it just only for a short time while it morphs into this colour and then again into this one. What an ingenious idea. So Rainbow Rhapsody, Wild and Free, 918 yards, and it is a 1 weight. So what's a 1 weight? Oh yes, it is quite thin, but wow, that is beautiful. I love that. Wild and Free is the name of the actual shade, the colour name, but isn't that gorgeous? And there are 2 of them. Wow, they are stunning. Stunning. I like the way she's given me lots and lots of different weights. So in here is this. Oh wow, it is actually some Amway, I think. Oh, hang on, no, there's lots of goodies. G&H Nourish Hand Cream. Sweetheart, she's so lovely. And what's this? Is this? Let's do something. I think yes, it is Amway. Oh wow, she did say she's going to get me some samples together. And there's lots of leaflets that, you know, explain everything. And what's this one? Oh my goodness, look. Wow. Dish drops, and these are all like samples of her Amway that she does. What's this one? Oh, need to turn it around. Oh, LOC, I used to use that years ago. Amway came over here at one point, and my mother-in-law used to use it, and we got a big bottle of LOC, so I know how good that is. This is possibly why I sneezed. AFB, which looks like soap powder, and we've got some wipes, which will be brilliant in the car. I will put those definitely in the car. And this one is, helps with some light. Youth Extend. Oh, I need that. So I feel like I need it today for sure. Especially if I've got a few of those. That's good. Youth Extend. And this one is Men. One for Gary. What's the men's one? Post shave. Wow. He needs a shave, actually. I was telling him that yesterday. Ooh. Nutrilite bar. Wellness bar. Nutty dark chocolate. Non-GMO, gluten-free. Wow. And, oh, look at this. I love these things. Little scary doodah. Scary doodah. And there's more. There's more powder. Oh, I love the way she's packaged this. This must have made it so heavy. A little Amway pen. I love that. I'll use that a lot. I will. Definitely will. And a couple more little sachets. What's this one? Nutrilite Double X. I'm not sure what that is, but I will look it up in all those little books. And this one is, it's too shiny to read. Can't see this one. Artistry Hydra V. Ooh. Well, I'm going to have fun with all these bits and bobs. I'm so excited. So, what a lovely lot of yarn. Absolutely gorgeous. And all these little things from her travels I really love. She's been so thoughtful. I hope she likes what I've sent her. Oh my goodness. I feel cheap now. I'm sure I'll put a few bits in. But, oh wow, thank you, Dana, so much. And thank you for suggesting it. I haven't done one in a long time. And when she suggested it, I thought, wow, yeah, I haven't done one for ages. It'd be cool. So, I'm really pleased I said yes. It's got some lovely yarn to try. This just feels gorgeous. I love the way this feels. I love 4-weight now. I never used to sort of really use much 4-weight yarn because, you know, the UK has so much DK in shops. You know, when you go out to shops, it's the most dominant yarn you'll see. Not so when I was young. That was 4-ply and 3-ply in the summer, and then it would just be DK would be a wintry yarn and chunky. But Aran always got kind of pushed aside. It was the kind of yarn that they made sweaters from, or cardigans, and they were always cable. You know, cable knit cardigans and sweaters were Aran, and mostly worn by farmers, seafarers, and that sort of thing. And you know, my mum used to knit them all the time, Aran jumpers and cardigans. And as I wasn't a jumper wearer, she never really knitted me one. But she did my mum and my dad. She did them all the time. And her sister and friends and anyone but me basically got one. And that was the only time you ever saw 4-weight yarn. And it was always cream, dark red, dark blue and cream. That's about mostly the colours you'd see. So Aran was always the kind of weight, 4-weight, you couldn't really get so much. And if you did, it wasn't vibrant colours. It was cream. The normal colour was cream. Or these dark colours. Occasionally you get green, but they'd always be dark. Or, I hate to say it, but drab. You know, drab colours. So it wasn't until we started to sort of see people across the pond putting up videos and showing all these wonderful makes in all these vibrant 4-weight yarns that we started to sort of get more. And it's still not really, it's quite a treat to find it in the store. That's what I mean. It's like when I went to Poundland the other day and I found all that 4-weight. I was excited about it because we just don't really get it, you know. It's starting to creep in a little more now, but it's such a lovely one to work with because it's not so bulky as a 5, you know, as chunky, but it's more substantial and things are more sturdy when you make them, and I love it. So thank you so much, Dana. I'm going to absolutely love all this yarn. Thank you. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care. Don't forget to watch Dana over at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. And thank you so much, Dana. Bye for now, everyone.